Good morning, everyone. So I have laid out all the items that I have been using during this whole healthy lifestyle change, and I want to go ahead and share them all with you. As you can see, I have a lot, so I want to get into it really quick. A couple things I want to say before I get into it. Right now, with my body and everything, I am taking in about 1,200 to 1,500 calories a day. That's pretty low. 1,200 calories is, you can't go lower than that because your body's going to start to shut down, and you need 1,200 calories to at least live, have your digestive tract keep going, and be able to breathe and stuff like that. So I'm going to link a link down on the sidebar for you to put in. You go in there and it calculates, it puts in your how much you weigh, your age, your height, and all that, and it tells you how many calories you need to take in a day in order to stay at that same weight, and how many calories you need to take in a day to lose weight, and of course to gain weight you'd go higher than that. Any other links that I have found that have helped me, I'm going to put on the bottom bar for you guys. This is what I'm doing. I am not a doctor. I don't know what I'm really doing. This is just what I'm doing and what's working for me. Alright? I am not saying go out there and do this way. I'm just giving everyone tips. Now, like I said, this doesn't mean I'm a doctor. This doesn't mean I know what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what has been working for me, okay? So please don't do exactly what I'm doing, because it's probably not what's right for your body. There's a couple things that definitely help out, but I just want to make sure everyone goes to see, a nutritionist, goes to see your doctor, say, hey, what do I need to do to get healthier, okay? So I'm going to start with breakfast, and another big thing I want to mention is check out the labels on the side of the boxes. Check out the labels on everything, okay? Look at your serving sizes, because a lot of people go over the serving sizes because they just pour in how much they want, especially with cereal. Everyone goes over their cereal serving size. So usually a cup and half a cup of milk. I do 1 cup of cereal, 1 cup of milk, because I love milk. And honestly, I don't hit my calorie intake like I'm supposed to every day. Yesterday I probably hit 700 calories, and it's not something to laugh at. It's really bad. I'm very bad. So I take in a little bit more at breakfast and a little more at lunch, and because I always forget my dinner most of the time. So, alright. So I like the Special K with red berries. That's this guy right here. The Go Lean Kashi Crisp. This is the Toasted Berry Crumble. That's a good one. And I haven't had this one yet, but this is another Kashi one, and it's the Cinnamon Raisin. Those are all really good. Kashi's really good, actually. You get good protein, good fiber. It's really good for you, okay? And I'll have a English muffin, or sometimes I'll even have a bagel that I have in the freezer. I'll show you the freezer in a little bit, okay? So this is whole grain, 100 calories per serving. That's really good. I'll put a little bit of butter on it, and I can't believe it's not butter. Let's see, what else do I use? I'll sometimes put some sugar-free strawberry preservatives. And I just got an email. It's probably someone commenting on my last video. I also like a lot of fruit. I'll snack on that throughout the day, so some oranges, some strawberries. Obviously, I've been snacking on this today. Sometimes I'm not really in the mood for cereal, so I'll go ahead and go for some pancakes. Like 3 of these. And these, I'm never going to change. Again, I love these. These are so good. They're 10 times better than regular pancakes. And I had to get a better syrup. This is Miss Butterworth's sugar-free. It's only like 20 calories for 1/4 of a cup. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what else. Oh, my milk. I was doing skim milk at first. Now I'm doing low-fat milk. I'm still losing weight, so it's better to have some better taste to it, because I was going to go crazy. Another thing that I didn't grab from the refrigerator, sometimes I'll make omelets, and I'll use the all whites liquid egg whites. Okay, this is pretty good. So you want to do all whites. The yolk is really bad. Not really bad, but it's really fatty. I'll put some 2% cheese in with my omelet. So I'll slice up some mushrooms, and I'll even put in some turkey breast. The problem is with this, make sure you find something with lower sodium. No matter what, these are going to have really high sodium. Watch your serving sizes. Sodium's really bad, okay? It will keep in all of your water, alright? And that's just going to make you gain more weight. Alright, so keep an eye on your sodium, especially when you go out in restaurants. They put way too much salt on their stuff. Alright, so with the bagels I have in the freezer, I'll use the cream cheese, third of a less fat. Don't use the no fat. The no fat has more sodium than the less fat. Go for the less fat. Look at the, you've got to look at the labels. I'll do another video about labels later to kind of show you guys what I've learned about them. They're very tricky. Alright, let's see. I'll take one a day vitamins for a better metabolism. That helps me out. Another thing, you're supposed to eat within 30 minutes to an hour when you're waking up. That way it can kickstart your metabolism. Gotta keep that up. Snacks, I like to have the Light and Fit yogurt, 80 calories for this bad boy. I usually don't finish it. And Jell-O, I'm really bad about Jell-O. This is amazing. Oh, it's sugar-free Jell-O. Sugar-free Jell-O, 10 calories. Amazing. I have some veggie burgers that I eat, and I put some veggie slices on them. They actually taste really good. I don't like the veggie burgers, but the cheese is good. Mini Baby Bells, the light ones, these only have 50 calories. I'm probably going to go back to the regular ones because they're like 70, 80 calories. And again, I'm not hitting my calorie intake, so I need to up that a little bit. Alright, a lot of water. You're supposed to drink 8 ounces a day. When you first start the 8 ounces a day, you're going to have to pee all the time. I'm just being honest. I work with a woman who's actually pregnant right now, and it's funny because we're always running to the bathroom. And we're like, oh, I have to pee, I have to pee. So it's really funny, but that went away after like a week or two. It's frustrating, but stick through it. You'll get it. Your body's just going to let go of all that extra water, and you're going to lose a lot of weight. So that's definitely a big, big helping. And women, when it comes close to that time, I'm going to be honest, you're going to gain 2 to 5 pounds, or maybe even lose. I lost, I think, a pound this past time, and losing a pound right before that time is really good, actually. So, I mean, and another quick thing is, women, when you're on that time of the month, stay away from those snacks, stay away from those salty foods, those chocolates, because your metabolism kicks up more during that time. So you're going to lose more weight, you're going to burn more calories than you normally would. So if you stay away from those snacks, you can lose weight faster. Haha. Sorry guys, I don't have any tips for you. Alright, I drink the Diet Ocean Spray Cranberry. I'm probably going to go back to the regular ones again so I can kick up my calories a little bit. Special K protein shake. I drink this when I forget to eat lunch. Powerade when I forget those calories and I forget I have like low electrolytes and I get to feel like I'm going to pass out. I drink that because that helps out. And I know that's really bad. I shouldn't feel like passing out. I'm working on it. I'm getting better. Like I said, it's slowly taking a little bit to get used to all this, but I'm getting better. So I'll take some TLC Kashi like bars to work. This has got a little bit of chocolate and some cherries in it. I don't eat these too much. Oats and honey, they have a lot of sugar, but they have good fiber. Whenever I feel like some hot chocolate, there you go. Diet, 25 calories for 1 pouch. There's different Crystal Light things you can pour in your water. This size is 16.9 ounce, so I have to drink 4 of these a day. They have Hunter Satisfaction, they have Crystal Light Fibers, and Crystal Light Energy. Careful, this one says 5 calories per serving. Well, on here, the serving size is half a packet, so technically it's 10 calories. Not that 5 more calories is going to kill you, but you see what I'm saying? They try to trick you. Let's see, make sure I'm not skipping anything. Disco Lean hot cereal, I don't really like. It tasted good when it was hot, but then once it got cold, I really didn't like it, so I don't suggest that one, unless you like hot cereal. I'm kind of like letting go of my sodium a little bit more because I was being really lenient. I'm supposed to be only getting about 2,000 milligrams of sodium in my diet. A lot of things are like around 500. I mean, this is only, let's see, 90, that's 160? 160? I think so. I can't do mental math very well. I didn't learn it when I was in school. So anyways, 160 calories for this whole thing. Now, let's see, this is about 1,000 in sodium. That's not very good, but, you know, I'll probably half that, so it won't be too bad. Alright, so I got the butternut squash and the southwestern corn soup. It's got good vitamins and, you know, good potassium and stuff in that, so that's really good. Another snack that I love is some chunk light tuna. Sometimes I'll put some light Miracle Whip in there, just a little bit, because just for a little bit more flavor. And it's only 80 calories. Now be careful, make sure you get the low sodium. Again, low sodium, it's a very good thing. I'll dice up some tomatoes in my dinners just for a little bit healthier of a kick. My boyfriend loves these. It's the Macaroni Girl I'll just make sure I change out the regular white noodles. I'll give him the white noodles and I'll have my whole wheat noodles. And on the chicken, they want you to lightly bread it with the seasoned flour that it comes with. I don't do that anymore, so that takes a little bit. You want to do whole wheat flour, whole wheat, you know, stuff, okay? Because the white flour and stuff, it's not as good for you, okay? When I cook with any kind of oil, extra virgin, it's better for you. Instead of putting butter in that pan when you're cooking that chicken, spray some Pam in there. 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 0 sodium. Just don't, you know, open it up and spray it in your mouth. It's not like a good source of nutrition, but this, it doesn't have anything in it right now because I forgot to put my sea salt in it. Sea salt's better than regular salt, so this, I think this is from Pampered Chef. Just get a grinder, put some sea salt in there. There you go. Alright, I showed you the omelet stuff. Let's see, I have brown rice, instant. This is for when I go to work and I don't really make any meal. I haven't even made a meal for my work tonight. Whole grain couscous, I love couscous. Lots of whole grains, whole wheat, all natural macaroni. I'm making macaroni soon. It's pretty good. It's from one of the cookbooks I have down here. I got Steve regular stuff. I have breadcrumbs. I sometimes do a light coating on my chicken. Steve likes that now. I've got whole grain, let's see, linguine, and whole grain spaghetti. When you choose meats, make sure you get lean meats. Alright, I use my WeFit Plus. I usually don't even use this to work out anymore, I just go to the gym, but I use this to kind of track, you know, my weight loss, and I can set goals and stuff. This is really cool. I've been using different cookbooks. This is a simple swap, 100 easy changes to start living a healthier lifestyle, and it definitely has some really good key, you know, tips and stuff. So it's definitely worth it. It tells you what kind of things you should have in your pantry that are better for you. Has a couple recipes in there, but most of the things that are in there I've already mentioned to you. It's basically like you should know this kind of stuff. It's pretty easy. I love this cookbook. It's the Weight Watchers in 20 minutes. It's got a lot of really good calories. A lot of really good, I made this one, meals and stuff. I made something last night that was in here, but they've got a lot of really good things, and it tells you the serving sizes, it tells you, you know, per serving, this is what you get, how many calories, fat, all that stuff. So it's got breakfasts, lunch, dinners, salads, all that cool stuff. So that's everything here. I'm going to take you off now, and I'm going to show you, sorry that was really loud, what it looks like inside my freezer. Okay, it's kind of, please ignore the big thing of liquor. My boss gave that to me for Christmas. Okay, so on the side I have these little Fiber One blueberry muffins. You like microwave them up real quick. They're pretty good. Not too high in calories. They're a good quick snack. I have veggie protein dogs right here. I got stuff all over them. These are my veggie burgers that I really didn't like. As you can see, my chicken, I get chicken in like the full things like this, and when I get them, I'll defrost them and I'll kind of like pull them all out and put them, I'll clean them and I'll put them in their own little Ziploc baggie. So when I'm like, oh, what am I going to have for dinner tonight? I'll throw this like quickly in the sink, let it defrost so I can cook that up. Okay, that's a really good tip actually. I've done that before. Okay, sometimes I'll make Steve some tortellini. He loves this meal that I used to make. It's not too bad, but it's really only when I feel like treating myself. Let me take the big thing of liquor out. I have, let's see, these guys. There's a couple of them that are really good for you. I have asparagus in there too. You can tell my Whoosh Lush Shower Jellies in the freezer. It's funny. Let's see. This is flank steak I'm making later on. We have a lot of chicken. Buffalo wings. These are pretty good. Not too bad. I think they're meat-free, so they're pretty good. I've been craving spicy food, so I have 90 calorie Slim Witches. So those are whole wheat grain, whole wheat toast. I don't eat it fast enough, so I put it in the freezer. Alright, bagel thins. These are pretty good. They're really small. I don't know if you could see those. Those are really good. Watch out for the Healthy Choice meals. They're really high in sodium. I got the lower sodium ones. I got the spicy chicken, Asian pot stickers, which I was surprised is low sodium, portobello Marsala pasta. So that's everything in there, and I think that wraps us up. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a doctor, so make sure you go see your doctor and see what you should do. I will see you guys later. I'm doing another video tomorrow. Oh, please check out my page. I actually am on Twitter now, so you can follow me to see what I'm doing. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!